In this ONIXEDIT Cloud tutorial, we'll see how to create a new title, fill in the required fields, add more important details, and then export it to an ONIX file. Let's start by creating our new title. From the ONIXEDIT Cloud main interface, click on the Add New Title button in the upper right corner. A simplified form will pop up. This is where we'll enter all the details about our record. At the top of the form, we see an indicator saying that our title contains errors. A good way to start filling the required fields is by entering the title of our book. Then, we can use the F8 key to quickly navigate to the next error and type in the required information. We can repeatedly do this until all the fields in red are filled. Once that's the case, we'll see that the indicator at the top says that our product is now valid. Now that we've made sure that all the mandatory information is there, we can add all other important details that we want to complete our record. For example, we can add an author by going to the Contributors tab, clicking the Add button, and simply filling in their name, role, and nationality. We can then add more contributors or remove existing ones with these controls on the right. Next, we could add the subject by navigating to the Subject and Audience tab and clicking in the BISAC subject field. A pop-up menu with every BISAC subject will appear, and we can make a search using the Filter Text field and select the subject we're looking for. As you can see, the corresponding Thema subject was also automatically added. While we're here, we could also specify the targeted audience with this field down below. Finally, let's add a cover image. Click on the media area in the top left corner of the form. We can then either import a file from our computer or from a URL. In our case, we'll use the first option. Once we have located and selected the cover image in the File Explorer, we can select the type of media and click OK. Our cover image was successfully imported. Now we can add more, or edit this one using these controls above. You can keep going like this and navigate through each tab to add all the relevant information about your book. Once you're satisfied with it, simply click the Update button in the top right corner to save the changes you've made. Our new title will now appear in our catalog in the main view of ONIXEDIT Cloud. For the last part of this tutorial, we'll see how to export titles to an ONIX file. First, we should select the titles we want to include using the checkboxes on the left. Then, using the Action menu, we can either choose to export to an ONIX file with long or short tags. Select the one you prefer, confirm your decision, and then this icon in the top right corner will indicate that an action is in progress. Once the task has completed, the indicator switches to let you know that it's done. Click on it and you'll be able to click on the download link for your exported ONIX file. And there it is in our File Explorer. We have successfully exported our title to an ONIX file. If you have other questions or want to know more about ONIXEDIT Cloud, go to onixedit.com.